Fusion markets.
PIP, or PIPS, represent the fourth decimal place in a currency pair's exchange rate. Here's a simple way to calculate PIPS in Forex trading. Let's say you want to make 30 pips on the rising price of GBP USD, and you buy at 1.2631. What would be your target price? You just need to add 30 pips to 1.2631, which gives you 1.2661. Therefore, if you want to make 30 pips on 1.2631, you're looking for the price to rise to 1.2661. There is an exception to the rule when dealing with JPY-yen pairs, as they are priced to 3 decimal places, for example, 107.947. In this case, the pip is the second decimal place, which is 4. Now, for JPY, let's say you want to make 20 pips on the falling price of USD JPY. You sell at 108.32. Since the price is going to go down with selling, this would be a subtraction.